In this video, I will show you how you can change the icon theme on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your phone. Then tap on Open, and from here just select Continue. Tap on Continue, and from here just scroll down and select the app icon which you want to apply on your phone. For example, I'll select this app icon and I'll just tap on download. As you can see, you can change the design, you can change the fill color, you can customize the inner shadow, the outer shadow, and much more. You can customize the shape, you can resize the icon, and you have many customization options over here. Now, once you have customized the icon as you prefer, after that, just tap on the back button and select Save. And just select Overwrite and tap on OK. Then select the app icon back and tap on Apply. From here, just enable Allow Notifications, then just go back and tap on Apply. Now just select Don't Show It Again and tap on OK. Now just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on Downloads. And as you can see, this is the icon pack which we have installed. Now just tap on it and select Settings. Now just enable this toggle. Now after that, just tap on Install. Now just tap on OK. Now if you're facing this error, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just scroll down a bit and disable the toggle for Auto Blocker. Now just confirm this action. Now after that, just go back to the Files app and tap on the icon pack which we have installed. Now just select Install. From here, just tap on More Details and select Install Anyway. Now just confirm this action. Now after that, just tap on Done. Now just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your phone. Once you install it, then tap on Open. And from here, just scroll down and look for the option for Theme Park. Then tap on it, and from here, just tap on the download icon. After you install Theme Park on your phone, then just tap on the play button and open Theme Park. At the bottom of the screen, just swipe to the left side and select Icons. Now just tap on Create New. Now after you arrive on this page, then select Icons over here, then tap on Icon Pack. And from here, just select the icon pack which we have installed, which is this one over here. Now after you select the icon pack, then tap on the download icon at the upper right corner on the screen. And from here, just give a name to this icon pack. For example, I'll name it Liquid Gloss. After you do that, then just select OK. And as you can see, this is the icon pack which we have created. Now just tap on it and select Apply. And after you do that, you will apply the icon pack on your phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.